Record sets are saved lists of patron, bibliographic, or item records. This 2-minute tutorial will review how to create record sets in the staff client and add records to the set. To create a new record set, select the New Objects icon and select Record Set as the object. Click OK. Select the type of record from the drop-down menu and select OK again. An empty record set will appear. Give the record set a name and add a note if appropriate. CCS has naming conventions to help identify record sets posted to the migration portal. The link is in the tutorial handout. An important element to pay attention to is the record set owner. If the owner is set to the user level, no one else will be able to view or access the record set. The owner must be set to the library or branch level to be accessible by CCS and your coworkers. If the record set is for personal use only, ownership may remain at the user level. Click the Save icon to complete saving the record set. The next step is to add items to the record set. To add records by scanning barcodes, click on the Barcode Plus icon. To add records by using the Find tool, click on the magnifying glass plus icon. When ready to leave the record set, click on the Save icon and close out of the window. The record set does not need to be fully populated at once. Create a record set and return at any time to modify or add items. A record set can also be created from a search. Open the appropriate patron, item, or bibliographic find tool. Set up the search. In this example, we will use the Item Find tool to locate items with a circulation status of missing at a specific branch. Before clicking Search, navigate to the Settings tab. Click Send Results to a new record set. Enter the record set information and click Search to launch the search. The records will be saved directly to the new record set. If the search has already been launched, the records can still be saved to a new record set. Navigate to the Settings tab. Enter in the record set information and click Search to relaunch the search. The records will be saved to the new record set. Individual records may be added to a record set from a search or from the record itself. To add an individual record from a search, perform the search. Right-click on the relevant record. Hover over Add to Record Set. Choose New if you would like to add to a new record set, or choose Existing if you would like to add the results to an existing record set. To add to a record set from the record itself, select Tools. Hover over Add to Record Set. Choose New to add to a new record set, or choose Existing to add to an existing record set. This has been a 2-minute tutorial on creating and adding records to record sets in the staff client. If you have any questions, please email help@ccslib.org.